just looked and just watched and was like, what is this big thing doing? Zara's always been vocal. It was hilarious.
You got a little sister.
Oh, goodness.
She just knew that Gia was a new member of the pack and she just knows to protect her. They've kind of just naturally grown up as siblings. She started walking. Good girls. Oh, you're sharing with Zara? Zara was just naturally gentle. Gia's first word was pup. So I think that says a lot. Zara turning 5, Gia will be 2 in May. Just happens so naturally. They just want to be with each other all the time. With the singing, it just happened. We bought Gia a stand-up microphone for Christmas. Every time Gia starts singing, but she's not really singing, Zara just starts howling. She can't contain herself. I'm still trying to work out who's the lead, because at the moment they kind of like fight for that top spot. Zara loves the limelight, and I think so does Gia. The two of them are like two peas in a pod. She has fun. She sings with her. They throw ball. They swim. We go for afternoon walks. And I'm excited to see how their relationship blossoms. How it changes and grows and evolves.